Okay, by the way, good morning. Yeah, where are you now?
I'm at home.
I see you don't have class.
Yeah, I have class in the afternoon.
Ah, okay, I see. So that is every Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how are you this morning?
Good.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so for today, yeah, so we will have here. Okay, wait. Okay, can you see my screen now? Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah, so I have here some, let's learn some tongue twister first. Okay, so for an drill, words drills, I want you to learn for this one. Okay, so we have here,
We wash the wet fish.
okay,
Shane has cash in his shop.
all right.
Gosh, don't shock Shane sings.
Uh, Next,
They eat hash and fish, then wash and slip.
5,
Shame on Shane. He shot a fish.
okay, 6,
The ship shall rush to the shade.
yeah, 7,
She has a rash on her shin.
and 8.
Wash this dish when bake that fish.
And lastly, we have,
Where is Jane Cash?
okay, where is Jen's cash? Okay, this one.
Chris brave brigader brandishes broad pride plates, blunderbusses, and bludgeoned, balancing them badly.
Yeah, we also have here.
I saw Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop. Where she sit, she shined, and where she shine, she sit. Susie sitting in the shoe shine shop. Where she shine, she sit, and where she sit, she shine.
Yeah. How about this one? H.
Harry hunts heavy hairy hairs. Does Harry hunt heavy hairy hairs? If Harry hunts heavy hairy hairs, where are the heavy hairy hairs Harry hunts?
Okay, that's perfect. So, okay, those are just some words drills. And for now, we're gonna have some listening. Okay, so we have here. Okay, for the part one, I want you to listen, and after that, let's try to answer these words. And of course, you will let me explain. Okay, explain also based on what you hear.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, can I well let you listen 1 to 7, and
Yes,
then
it's okay.
later so you can really comprehend what you listen?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, so here we go.
1.
Okay,
Where
can you
will the
hear that?
woman go first after work?
Okay.
Are you and Sarah going straight to the restaurant from work tonight?
Actually, I'm leaving work early because I need to do some shopping in the market. And I'm going to meet Sarah after that outside the cinema. She doesn't know where the restaurant is, you see. You're playing tennis after work, aren't you?
Yes. So I'll see you at the restaurant.
Now listen again.
Are you and Sarah going straight to the restaurant from work tonight?
Actually, I'm leaving work early because I need to do some shopping in the market, and I'm going to meet Sarah after that outside the cinema. She doesn't know where the restaurant is, you see. You're playing tennis after work, aren't you?
Yes. So I'll see you at the restaurant.
2. What can festival visitors see every day?
The Arts Centre in London is holding a festival of Irish culture from the 4th to the 12th of April. An exhibition of paintings is open daily, and on some weekday evenings the theatre has special events, including plays and films. At the weekend, concerts of Irish music will take place in the town hall.
Now listen again.
The Arts Centre in London is holding a festival of Irish culture from the 4th to the 12th of April. An exhibition of paintings is open daily, and on some weekday evenings the theatre has special events, including plays and films. At the weekend, concerts of Irish music will take place in the town hall.
Three. What souvenir will the boy's mother bring?
What colour T-shirt shall I bring you from New York, Fred?
I'd prefer black, but actually, a baseball cap would be a good idea.
What about another model car for your collection? I could get you a New York taxi.
Great! I really like the sports car you bought me last time.
Now listen again.
What colour T-shirt shall I bring you from New York, Fred?
I'd prefer black, but actually, a baseball cap would be a good idea.
What about another model car for your collection? I could get you a New York taxi.
Great! I really like the sports car you bought me last time.
4. What time is the woman's hair appointment?
I'd like to make an appointment to have my hair cut, please. This Friday or Saturday in the morning, if you can manage it.
Let me see. We can do Friday at 10 or 11:30. Then on Saturday there's 9:30 or 12 o'clock.
I'll take the earlier one on Saturday, please.
Now listen again.
I'd like to make an appointment to have my hair cut, please. This Friday or Saturday in the morning, if you can manage it.
Let me see. We can do Friday at 10 or 11:30. Then on Saturday there's 9:30 or 12 o'clock.
I'll take the earlier one on Saturday, please.
5. Where's the TV guide?
Have you seen the TV guide?
Isn't it on top of the television? I had it when I was watching the film last night.
I expect you left it by your chair then. Here it is under the cushion where nobody can find it. You should put it back in its place by the telephone. Then we'd all know where it is.
Now listen again.
Have you seen the TV guide?
Isn't it on top of the television? I had it when I was watching the film last night.
I expect you left it by your chair then. Here it is under the cushion where nobody can find it. You should put it back in its place by the telephone. Then we'd all know where it is.
6. What does the man decide to take Tracy?
I'm going to see Tracy in hospital, but I can't think of what to take her. People always take flowers.
So she'll have lots already for sure. I always think it's nice to have something to read myself, but as Tracy's got her Walkman with her, what about something to listen to?
What a good idea. It's better than taking sweets, certainly, because I know she's on a special diet while she's in hospital.
Now listen again.
I'm going to see Tracy in hospital, but I can't think of what to take her. People always take flowers.
So she'll have lots already for sure. I always think it's nice to have something to read myself, but as Tracy's got her Walkman with her, what about something to listen to?
What a good idea. It's better than taking sweets, certainly, because I know she's on a special diet while she's in hospital.
7. Which sport has the man just started?
Hi, how was your holiday?
Great. Really good windsurfing and sailing. You know how much I enjoy them. And horse riding. I really want to go again now I've tried it. And the swimming pool was wonderful too. Much warmer than the one I usually swim in. Holidays are just too short.
Now listen again.
Hi, how was your holiday?
Great. Really good windsurfing and sailing. You know how much I enjoy them. And horse riding. I really want to go again now I've tried it. And the swimming pool was wonderful too. Much warmer than the one I usually swim in. Holidays are just too short.
Okay, so yeah, T, how was it?
Mm.
Okay, was it too long?
No.
Okay, so you're able to listen and okay, yeah. Yeah, so let's have first number 1. Okay, let's discuss first the number 1 here. Okay, where will the woman go first after school?
She will go to the market.
Okay, she will go to the market. So what she will do there in the market?
She's shopping.
Okay, so she will go shopping. Yes. Okay, after going to market, what's her plan?
Playing tennis.
Yeah, so she will play that tennis. So the first one is go to the market to buy some goods. Okay, that's right. Another one, what can festival visitors see every day? Festival visitors. So what they could see every day.
Every day they have a painting,
Oh,
exhibitions of painting.
oh yeah, so they could see different exhibits of paintings. Yeah, this one. So they could really see and glance it every day. Okay, that's perfect. Another one. Okay, what souvenir will the boy's mother bring?
She will bring a New York tag of the car.
Okay, was it the car or the taxi car?
No, it's a model car.
Okay, it's a model car. So the second one.
Oh no, wait, it's the taxi car.
Yeah. So the taxi car, since okay, the boy likes about that model taxi car. Okay, what do you mean by souvenir? Do you have any idea? Okay, when we say souvenir,
Souvenir.
souvenir from different country, like we have here. Okay, souvenir. So, for example, we have okay, souvenir from Vietnam. So, what are those things in your country? Okay, those are some of the souvenirs the tourists could buy if they will go to your country. So they could buy this things here. So they could buy that and bring that to their country. So it will serve as a remembrance for them to remember that, oh, I've been to Vietnam. This souvenir is from Vietnam. This one is from Japan. So it's like a thing that remembers a certain place.
Yeah.
Okay, that's souvenir. So in here, his mother bought, okay, will buy this one as a souvenir from that place.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. And here, what time is the woman's hair appointment?
Uh, the woman hair appointment is at wait, where is it?
Is it 9:30, 11:30, or
Nine
12?
thirty. 9:30.
Okay, 9:30. Why not 11:30?
Because at 11 is she do Friday, but today is Saturday.
Oh, okay, I
So
see.
she would choose 9:30.
Oh, yeah, I see. So that's correct. And good job. That is 9:30. And in here, according to the audio, where is the TV guide? Where
The
is the
TV,
TV guide?
the TV guy she left it on the chair.
Yeah. It's on the chair or it's under?
No, it's on.
Okay, that's on the chair. So she forgot that she put it on the chair. Yes, that's right. And what does the man decide to take Tracy?
The
Sure.
second, the second one.
Okay, yes. What are those things here? Why he chose this one for Tracy? Is that
He thinks or she thinks that is nice to read.
okay? So Tracy have okay for CD tapes and also some books for her to
Read.
read. Okay. And last one, which sport has the man just started?
He started riding a horse riding.
Uh, okay, yeah, so horse riding. Why he likes to do some horse riding?
Oh,
Yeah, why do you think
because
he likes this one?
he say that he had tried it before and he want to go again.
Yeah, so he want to continue again for that. Okay, how about you, T? What is the sport that you really like to do? Like in school or even in the house?
I think it's outside
Yeah.
activities.
Yeah, outdoor activities. It could be also outdoor or indoor activities.
Yeah,
Yeah, so which one you like? Which sport you like to do? Like
is that
like some
riding by
badminton?
is
Yeah.
that riding bicycle is a sport?
Ah, you like riding bicycle. Okay, so you're gonna do biking.
Yeah.
So you're always doing biking?
Yeah.
Oh,
Every day.
every day. Wow. Is it in the morning?
No, it's afternoon.
Ah, okay, it's in the afternoon. That's okay because of course it's a form of it's an exercise to your body. After that, you can also makes your body healthy because our body needs to move, not just staying at home and staying at school. Okay?
Mhm.
Yeah, so there you are. Yeah, so very good for tonight. Okay, you just have, I guess. Okay. You just have, yeah, you were able to answer and listen well the audio, and at the same time, you were able to express why you chose that answer. Okay, so that is very good, T. Oh, I see. You're a good listener. Okay, so now okay, let's have here for the writing. Okay. So last time we talked about junk food heaven. Do you still remember about this?
Yes,
Junk food heaven. Why do you think the title for this article is Junk Food Heaven? Yeah.
because in here is have a lot of sweet
Okay. A lot of sweets, a lot
and
of junk
junk food.
foods. Yes, unhealthy food.
Yeah.
So that's why they need to, of course. So they need to choose.
Mm.
Okay, so in here, let's try to. I want you to try to complete the table here and use your. Okay, you can use your own ideas to add more items on the list. So, for example, here, okay, a box of chocolates and tissues, a box of chocolate and tissue. So we're done with a box. Okay, what can you describe about eggs and milk
Eggs and
as
milk.
a group?
Bottles
Okay, a bottle of eggs.
is a half.
Okay, a bottle of eggs. Or maybe for the milk, it's okay for milk. Those words that you could apply on the two words. Like for example, a box could be applied to chocolates. Diba? We have a box of chocolate, it's okay. A box of tissues, that is also okay. So we could choose a box. How about eggs and milk? Is it
Mm,
eggs and milk? If when you say bottle, we cannot put the milk on the bottle. So we cannot use that.
um,
We could use this one. You can refer to the words above.
carton. No.
Okay, a carton. Yeah, there are also eggs. So when you say carton of eggs, so it means you have a lot of eggs. You're gonna put that inside the carton. So that is a carton of eggs.
Mm,
And a carton of milk.
yes, I have.
Yeah, there is. Okay, so we're gonna choose here a carton. How about jam or coffee? Jam or coffee?
John. This one is a yard.
Jam. Okay, jar. A jar. Okay, a jar of jam or coffee. Okay, so it's a lot. A jar of jam and coffee. Water and vinegar.
Mm,
Water.
is in the bottles.
Yeah, we could use the bottle since they're all liquid. So we have here a bottle of water and vinegar. How about this one? Toothpaste and cream.
Is a
Toothpaste.
tube.
Okay, that is a tube. Next one, we also have here potatoes and flour.
Is a packet.
Okay, we could use there a pack, a bag
A bag.
of what? A bag. What's your answer here?
Yes, a bag.
Okay, that is a bag. Crisp and biscuit.
A packet.
Okay, we could use a pack. olives, and soda.
This is a half a can.
Okay, a can of olives and soda. Okay, as you can see, most of it are, of course, yeah, so you were able to match according to the kind of the amount. Yeah, the amount that we are using. Okay, so all of it are correct. All right, good job, T, for that. Okay, any question about it?
Teacher.
Yes, because let's try this one. Okay, let's try to use those. We will have relative pronouns and adverbs. So in there, okay, read the information about Bill Bryson. So we're done reading that last time. And study the highlighted words. Find more examples in the extract from notes from a big country. So then complete rules A and E. So let's try to know more about Bill Bryson. So can you please read this?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Bill Bryson is a famous writer who grew up in America. He visited England in 1973, then moved there a few years later after he got married. It is the place where he wrote Notes from a Small Island, a book about life in England in 1995, the year when he returned to the USA. He wrote Notes from a Big Country. This extract is about a visit to an American supermarket. Bill goes shopping with his wife, whose opinions about food are very different from his. In the supermarket, there is a lot of junk food which you can only find in America. It's food that Bill Bryson likes.
Okay, so those what have you noticed about this? Who, where, when, whose, which, and that. What are
Who
who, when? Those are
those are for to say about
yeah, it
one people,
gives
one person,
like
one
it
person.
gives more information. Okay, so it gives more information about something. So like who, Bryson is a person. So those are called relative pronouns. Okay, the who, where, when, whose, which, and that. Those are relative pronouns. So when we say relative pronouns, okay, it will give those are the pronoun used to introduce a relative clauses. So like for example, in here we have this. Okay, Bill Bryson is a famous writer who gr- who grew up in America. So this one describes Bill Bryson. It's give additional information. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is the uses of course, relative pronoun. So, like here, uh, we can leave out who, that, and which if they are followed by another pronoun or a noun. So, we can leave out who, that, which if they are followed by a verb. Okay, this one is a pronoun or noun, and another one is followed by a verb. So like in here, when we talk about for people, what relative pronoun we gonna use? If we describe a person more or we give more information
Who
about the yeah, so that is
who
who. Okay, who or that for people. How about for things?
Which
Things. So
are
which?
that? Which and that?
Okay, which, and we could also have here that. How about possessions? Like you own this.
Um,
Okay, possession like owning something.
is whose?
Oh yeah, great job. So that is whose. For places. For places, we have,
Places is where.
yeah, so we have here where, and time, like the exact date, the exact time.
Is when.
Okay, so that is when. Okay, very good for that. Yeah, all your answers are correct.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have any question about this?
No, teacher.
Oh yeah, I guess I see that you really understand this one. Okay, can we try to complete this one to 7 using the relative pronouns? Okay, using those relative pronoun above, you can complete this one below. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so I will give you time to think and just tell me if you're done answering. All right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, let's have number 1. Okay, try to read together with your answer.
Yeah. Bill Parsons is someone who enjoys telling funny stories.
Okay, who enjoys telling funny stories? Very good. Next, number 2.
He is the man who truly is full of junk food.
Cool. Okay, next, number 3.
Cookie Crisp is a cereal which you can buy in America.
Okay, cookie crisp. How about 4?
This is the broccoli that we bought from the supermarket.
Okay, so that. 5.
Here are the pizza which are for breakfast.
Okay, so which? 6.
Sunday is the day when some supermarket close.
Okay, when some supermarkets close. Lastly, number 7.
A garden is a place where we can grow our own vegetable.
Okay, so this is where. Okay, I see. Okay, very good, T. Good job. Yeah, so you were able to use those relative pronoun correctly. Okay, that's perfect. So now, do you have any questions here?
No, teacher.
Okay, so no question for this. So wait. So I will just send this one also. Okay, so now I want you to answer, I want you to do okay, do you still have the link for the word search?
Can you something make it?
Okay, so we're gonna choose this one. Okay, let's have a short word search for the day. Okay, send it in the chat box.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, so let's try to choose what category you want to choose for today.
Mm, mm, I think
Okay,
is
let's start. Okay, which one? Personal? So
mm,
we have your personal things. So you know what are those personal? Your personal things?
where is this? Where?
Personal. You see the bag? Personal.
Oh, here.
Okay, so let's do this, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, time starts now. Round one. Suitcase.
Suitcase.
Kite. Kite.
Kite.
Book. Book.
Book.
Ticket.
Ticket.
Bag. Bag.
Bag.
Pen. Pen.
Pen.
Okay, ID card. ID. Okay. ID card.
ID card.
Keys. Key. Keys.
Key.
Flower. Keys. Flower.
Flower.
Whistle.
Whistle.
Button.
Button.
Watch.
Watch.
Zip.
Zip. Phone.
Purse.
Mug. tissues,
Are you done?
straw,
Yes.
Wow, what's your score, Spurs?
2042.
Purse. Oh no, I didn't see purse. Okay, yeah, so you got it. Yeah, you got it right. Okay, so again, when we say personal, what are those things that when you say personal, what are those examples of personal that you,
Money, zip, button,
yeah,
star, flowers. I remember it as
flowers. Yeah, there are also some who want personal flowers and who want to gonna put it in the office, so it will be personal to the person. Oh, like ID card. Yeah, so those are some personal. So you have your personal belongings. So you need to take care of it. Okay, let's start a new category. What category you want?
wait. I want Nazar.
Okay, you want yes, numbers and nature. You want nature? Okay, so I'll have your nature. So tree.
tree,
Tornado. Clouds.
clouds,
Tornado.
tornado,
The earth.
the earth,
The sand. The sun.
the sun,
Forest. Forest.
forest, leaf,
Cliffs. Volcano. Volcano.
volcano,
Planet.
planet, flower, bush, cliffs, wind, stars, island, mountain, the moon, rainbow,
Don, how about you?
Wait, I
Uh,
just have
okay.
one left. Where can I see river? River. Oh, here. Yeah. I got 2093.
Okay, 2093.
Nine.
93. Okay, I got 2,162 here.
Wow.
Okay, so yeah, let's for the last round. So you win from the first round, and I win now. So we're gonna start last round, and you're gonna win for this round. Okay, I want stationery.
Yes, okay.
Okay, let's have stationery.
Oh, it's so big.
Folder.
Pencil.
Flip chart. Pencil. Eraser. Crayon. Ruler.
Why can't I see anything? Oh no.
Pin.
Be
Clipboard.
where's Bill?
Pen. Sharpener. Marker.
Paper, where are you, paper? Paper.
Paper. Stapler. Scissors.
Why can't I find anything?
Envelope.
Paper? Where are you?
Notepad.
Ruler to where? Paper. Oh my god.
Tape.
No, Thomas left, but I can't find. I'll,
I just got 1-8.
I I cannot find any words. This game over.
Okay, you can still continue that.
No, I mean that it's time left, but I
Uh,
cannot find ruler and paper.
Oh, okay, I see. So where are you now? Are you in the first?
No, I'm a second round, and that's
Ah,
time.
okay.
It's game over.
Ah, okay, it's game over. The ruler and the paper?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so those are stationary, right? So
Yeah.
stationary things. So like pins, pen, pencil, ruler, okay, and a lot. So those are stationery. And I guess, okay, do you love some stationery stuff?
No.
Okay, you don't like those things. How about books?
No, dear.
Okay, not also. Yeah, so, okay, there we have your stationery. And of course, a while ago, we also have personal. So when you say personal, okay, those are the bag, the purse, wallet, suitcase, zipper, watches, keys, money, headphones, and many more. We also have what else? What else? We had personal, stationery, and nature. Okay, what are examples of nature?
Nature is half rainy, cloudy, sunny, the moon, the sun, the earth.
Yes, like the planet, yeah, the mountains, the forest, the cliffs, oh, the bush, the desert, the lake, the wind, and the stars. So those are nature. Okay, are you a nature lover person?
No.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I like, but not.
Uh, okay, do you like to go somewhere else like it's full of nature where there's no okay, there's no noise in the city.
I
Since
like,
in this yeah, you want to stay in the countryside for a while for a vacation. So it'll be relaxing.
yeah, the place that I go check.
Yeah, I see. Okay, even me, I want to stay in the countryside rather than in a city because it's very, very noisy.
Yeah.
Okay, so in here, yes, do you have any question for this? See?
No, I don't.
Okay, so that is page 37. And okay, so thank you so much for your time and see you on Friday. Goodbye and see you, T.
Goodbye, teacher. Good night.
Okay.